So here's the setup for the test. The reader is here. Two switches, pink and white. The pink switch has a tag in it that is encoded to say pink when it's seen. The white switch is encoded with a tag that says white when it's seen. The software running in the background, let me zoom in, is some reader software that comes with the reader. It's called the Universal Reader Assistant, and it will show us a line each time it sees a unique tag. What we're going to be looking for is what it says in this column, whether it says white or pink, and we'll watch the read count increase as the tag is seen. So first we'll press the pink one. When I release the switch, the count stops incrementing. Press the white switch. As long as I have the switch down, the read count is increasing. When I release it, it stops. Same with the pink one. Up, release, it stops. When the count stops, it means the reader cannot see the tag. White, pink.